that the Yelp reviews have been pretty much positive, but still it's like, it's that platform to where people just get really evil and vindictive.
And how have other things such as Google reviews, Yelp reviews, and things of that nature kind of influenced the food world?
I mean, I would say that I speak for more than 50% of chefs when I tell you that Yelp reviews are one thing that we do not care about at all. I mean, I get it. I know the concept of Yelp and this and that, and if you look back on, some of even my own restaurants, that the Yelp reviews have been pretty much positive, but still it's like, it's that platform to where people just get really evil and vindictive and talk about things that are beyond the food, and just get outright nasty, and to where they think more of themselves than what they should. I think that in most restaurants where you have a connection between, yourself, the people at your table, yourself, your server, the chef, it's very communal, to where if there is an issue, which is a very real thing in restaurants or anywhere, you drive your car, you might scratch your car, you want to talk to the person, you're not going to Yelp about it. You go to the shoe store, this shoe doesn't fix it. It doesn't fit. Can I get a different size? If something's wrong with your experience at the restaurant, you can reach out to your server or whoever, and I'm telling you, they will bend over backwards to fix it. Any good spot would do that. But these days, you got a lot of Yelp folk that just want to talk shit just for the sake of talking shit, So I think with that and some of the Google reviews, a lot of chefs don't really care about it. Now, my wife, on the other hand, when we go out to different cities, she will look up Yelp stuff, to say, what, maybe this can gauge if we're going to go to this place or not, But I guess because I kind of have the inside scoop, of chefs and what the vibe is like all across the country, I know what places to go to or not, regardless of guest commentary. You know what I mean?